Happy holidays! Happy holidays from the Headbanging Hostess. This is our tree, and we are having a tree trimming party. I spent $50 on all sorts of crafty things at Michael's. I got glitter, I got popsicle sticks, I got pipe cleaners, I got little pom-poms, I got little blue glittery bells. We are going to decorate the tree. We are making the decorations. Talk about creative, motherfuckers. Oh yeah. Yeah! Yeah, finally found somewhere to wear my sequin bustier. My own freaking house. Anyway, I'm having fun with outfits today. Apparently people like it when I show my cleavage. Anything to get new views. I'm very close to 10,000 views on YouTube. Yeah, motherfucker! Oh yeah, baby. Pulled pork corn cake muffins. I had them first at the Big E. The point of all this is I want you to make your holiday your own. I don't care what holiday it is, I don't care what religion you are, I don't even care if you don't have a religion. I think it's important to exercise your creativity, and I want you to do it with your friends and your family, surrounded by food and love and good music. Rock on. Happy holidays.